Hello friends, welcome to Saturday session class 7th SS. Last session we have discussed the Indian states which have a lot of minerals. All over Indian state, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Andaman and Nicobar have variety of minerals. In our Friday session, I explain the main definition of a mineral. Let us have a quick look. What is the meaning of the minerals? The mineral comes out from the earth's crust in impure form, which is called ores, O-R-E-S, ores, which is not a pure form. We are digging out that, taking to the refineries, purifying it, and we are sending back to it. Now, our Saturday session start with the uses of this. First important mineral is mineral oil, from where we are getting petrol, kerosene, diesel and oil, which is our part of life. We are using petrol, lot of petrols every day, lot of diesels, mineral oil. Next, it is the lifeline things for the chemical industries, pesticide, glass, varnish. Varnish means the wooden things will be painted. Printing industries, our book printing, making dye of it. Copper is used in our regular electric wires. Material, colored grass, coin, printing industry. Bauxite is used for electric materials, colors, aeroplanes, different part made from the bauxite and mixture of aluminium, purification of kerosene and making of a cement. Then comes mica. Mica is a mineral where so many electronic devices, circuits, radio making, telephone instruments, small parts are also made from mica. Aeroplanes, very important parts are also made from mica minerals. Gramophone. Gramophone means round record, which we are listening the music in the olden time when mobile was not invented. Soundproof curtains, fluorspar is also using in the melting industries. To melt the other minerals, fluorspar is used. Making plastic materials, it is also used. Hydraulic acid and making things from the china clay. Afterwards, let us move to the land resources. This next session we are talking about the land resources. Before that we have discussed which is coming from the down to the earth. Now we are talking which is there on the earth, means forest. Forest is large area covered chiefly with numerous trees, and its growth is called forest. It is an invaluable source of wealth of a nation. A nation can be healthy if the forest area is more and more. We have a good wealthy resource of a forest. In terms of physiography and climate, we can see 5,000 type of trees in India only, and it ranks 10th in the world in the terms of availability of the vegetation. So we are very best Indian forests are the best example in the terms of physiography and climatic conditions. We have one Ved also, Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, these forestry terms are used. Renowned medicine herb, Tulsi, Neem, Amla, that is very popularly used nowadays also. Since ancient time, dear students, we have a variety of trees in our country. And in Ayurveda, there are 2000 varieties of herbal and tree plantations are explained by our Rishi Munis and ancient people in the terms of book. In the terms of book. Evergreen forest also found it. That also we can say. Next session we will talk more and more about land resource. Thank you.